Our family, we decided to give it a shot. We had the opportunity and we took it. I mean, all my expectations, they're like 100%. Bangor, it's an awesome, lovely town. I love it, and I live right in downtown next to the river, close to work, and everything is like 5 minutes away from, doesn't matter what you need, 5 minutes, that's it. Airplanes, they're the same, doesn't matter Europe, America, South America, Australia, they're all the same, the rules are the same. But here in C&L, I love the freedom, how you perform your job, and the satisfaction after. When I came and I was new guy around, I was feeling very welcome. How they call Mainers, now I know what the meaning of that. Feel warm, welcome, friendly. That's why I'm still here.